Welcome to episode 4 of my Moving Diaries series. I'm so excited for this episode because I'm finally doing some apartment shopping. So throughout my last 3 episodes, I've been so focused on getting everything from my old apartment to my new apartment, organizing and putting together my new space, and I have been obsessed with this new apartment. I've spent so much time on Pinterest recently, just getting inspiration and seeing the aesthetic that I want for this apartment. So it's finally starting to come together, and I am so excited to get some decorations, furniture, and appliances. As you guys know, I moved from a studio to a 2-bedroom apartment, so there's so much more I get to customize in here. So I thought, what better way than to sit in the comfort of my own home and go online shopping for all of this stuff. As you guys know, I love going in-person shopping, but especially during the holidays, it's just too overwhelming for me. I have my laptop right here, so let's get started. I made so many new Pinterest boards for my apartment, and looking through all these photos, I definitely like a lot of color in my space, but I'm trying to make my decorations a little bit more minimal. I feel like I've always been so obsessed with putting tons of posters and stickers and pictures all over my walls. I still want to do that a little bit, but I want to make it a little more minimal. I love the wooden furniture and the plants, and I definitely like a lot of color. I think one of the main things that I love about all these photos is the lighting. Daytime to nighttime lighting in my apartment is so important for me because it's such like a vibe change. So that is an idea of what I'm looking for today. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I finally got a couch. You guys are gonna have to pretend like you didn't see this because I have a bunch more moving episodes coming up where I show you guys this couch. I just couldn't resist this setup and sitting here for this video. So just pretend like you haven't seen this in my future videos. So as I was saying about the nighttime lighting, I love the vibe of nighttime when you turn off like the big ceiling lights and you plug in all your lamps and all your different colored lights. So I really want it to be a vibe in here at night. I also feel like maybe it'll make me more productive, so I saved so many cute inspiration pictures on Pinterest. I love lights like these paper ones, especially for like the corner of my living room, I think would be perfect. But I also like these like huge light balls. I've seen ones that sit on the tabletop like this, but I really want a big one for the floor. Also, I found this really cool standing light with these auras. I just have so many different ideas, and I think it'd be really cute to get color changing bulbs so I could always customize them and change the color or dim them. So I think we're gonna start by looking for something like that. My go-to when looking for room decorations is always Urban Outfitters. I just love their home section. So we're gonna start here and look at their lighting. Yes, this is literally what I'm looking for. This floor lamp. Where'd it go? This one is cute too. Oh, I love that with the flowers. This is literally what I'm talking about. I was just describing like these light balls, and this one literally sits on the floor. So cute. I'm obsessed. I feel like this is the perfect size. I think this is the one that I would put the colored light bulbs in. I can't believe I found that like first thing. That's literally what I wanted. These are all really pretty with the wood, especially to match my wooden furniture as I was talking about. They're pretty expensive. This one is really nice, like with a plant on it. That'd be so cute. Oh yeah, okay. This is more of the paper lamp that I want. I don't really like the rectangle shape. This is pretty cool actually. It's a bowl lamp. I don't know if I like that thing. Oh, the red's really pretty. I don't know if I like this in the middle though. I have this lamp on my bedside table and I love it. They used to have a brown one too that I wanted, but I don't see it. This paper lamp is perfect. I love the size of it. I think I like it better than the rectangle one. So I'm gonna go with this. I don't know if that's too much to pay for literally a paper lamp, but it's on sale for $55, so I'm gonna go with that. So far, I'm gonna go with these 2 lamps. I'm so excited. Those are gonna be perfect for my living room. The next thing that I actually need to get is a key rack. I never ended up buying one at my old apartment, and that's something that I always needed because I come in my front door and just put my keys somewhere. And then every time I leave, I'm like, where are they? And now, especially being at this apartment, since it's 2 floors, I hate running up and down the stairs trying to find them. So I just need a place to set them. As soon as I walk in, I can hang my purse on it. It'll be perfect. So let's see if Urban Outfitters has one. I'm also thinking Amazon, maybe. We'll see. This one is kind of interesting, but it's 140, so I don't need to look at that anymore. This is so cute. Oh my God, and this, I don't know what these have to do with key rack, but look at this mug one. I'm obsessed. It kind of reminds me of the Gilmore Girls, like in Luke's Diner, how he has all the mugs out. This is so cute. I love it. I think it'd be too much though by the front door to have all that. This one is actually perfect. I love the brown. I love the wood. This looks so nice. The wood is perfect. As I said, I love wooden furniture, so this will match. It's $99, so I'm gonna add it to my bag. Let's look on Amazon really quick. Like, I don't know. I mean, this one's kind of cute. It has a little shelf. I can put like a plant on top. I feel like I wouldn't usually spend $100 on a key rack, but I feel like that's gonna be the first thing you see when you walk into this apartment. So I think I might just get it. So I'm gonna go with these 3 items. I have 2 lamps for the floor in my living room and a key rack. I'm obsessed. Those are gonna be so perfect. I can't wait for those to come in the mail. I actually found some color changing bulbs from IKEA. So I think I'm gonna pick these up next time I go over there. These, so they're expensive, clearly, but they also come with a little remote and you can change the bulbs to any of these colors. This is literally what I was talking about. It's like a tabletop lamp. So I think next time I'm at IKEA, I'm gonna get those bulbs, the tabletop lamp, and I'll be good on lighting after that. So I got lighting covered. I also found this lamp too with the Aura lights. I think that'll be one of my next purchases if I didn't get enough lights already. So since we're buying all of my dream apartment decorations, I have to tell you guys how obsessed I am with these Smeg appliances. They're so cute. From the toaster to the kettle. My dream is to own the espresso maker. It's like $1,000, but that's my dream. So I'm gonna look at these today. Google already knows the colors that I like. I'm obsessed with the beige color and then the pink color too. I think I would go with beige just because it would like match everything and I wouldn't get tired of the color. The coffee pot, I can't. So this is the kettle. It's $190. We're gonna add this to my cart and we'll just think about it. Drip coffee maker in pink. I can't. I love the pink so much. The cream is so cute too. Anyway, moving on. So as you guys saw, I did get a couch and I love it so much. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like and this full room setup. But I do want to look at Etsy and see if I can find some cute pillows to put on the couch. I also want to get some refrigerator magnets and a couple decorations. Looking back on my Pinterest board, I found these wall posters that I love. This one is my zodiac sign. Also seeing these refrigerator magnets. I need these on my fridge. These are so cute. They're these like little French pastries. Let's start with the fridge magnets. Yeah. Oh my God, I literally just found the exact picture. Yeah, I'm so obsessed. These on the Smeg fridge, that would be cute. I could pick 3 of these. Love the coffee, the eggs, and maybe the milk. 14 bucks for the cutest magnets ever. I could get a whole fridge to put on my fridge. Next, I want to look up some like crystal room decorations. Like these crystal hangers are so pretty. I feel like in the window they would look perfect. These are amazing and you can choose what crystal you want. I think I'm gonna go with the rose quartz. So as an art major, I've always found it so hard to get myself to buy wall art because I feel like I could just make it myself. I always do that. I never really buy paintings or posters unless I know I wouldn't make it. So I'm looking at these cute Aura posters right now and I feel like these would be good ones to buy. These are really pretty. I like this one. The other thing though about buying these posters on Etsy is a lot of them are digital downloads, so then you have to take that file and get it printed and get a frame and all of that stuff, which is just too much work for me. Like I just want the exact one that's in the picture. So I know I can get this on Etsy, but I don't really want to buy it. I am gonna go with these fridge magnets. I'm so excited. They'll come next week. And then I'm also gonna go with this crystal hanger, the rose quartz one, which is so cute. So let's check out. I think so far I'm most excited for these fridge magnets. So as I've been filming this video, I kind of had a couple things planned of things that I wanted to buy, but I have not shown you the main item that I already bought and I wanted to make as part of this video because this is probably the biggest purchase I've ever made for room decorations, but it's literally like one of my dreams to own this. So I'm gonna show it to you right now and then you'll see it in one of my new moving videos coming soon. So on Anthropologie, they have the prettiest mirror I've ever seen in my life. It is this mirror. They have a couple different sizes, but this is the 7-foot large floor mirror. So it's huge, clearly, and it has the prettiest like trim all around it. I feel like this is one of those things that you have forever. The price is absolutely insane, as you can see, but for Black Friday, they had 30% off. So I got this mirror for, do I even wanna know? For a total of $1,118. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, that is the most insane purchase ever. Like, can't believe you bought that. Can't believe you spent that much money on a mirror. I literally didn't even wanna share the price or anything like that, but this is like the biggest gift to myself. This is my Christmas gift. This is my birthday gift. This is my gift to myself for getting through this year. And I graduated college this year. I just moved to my new apartment, and I'm planning on having this mirror forever. So that is my justification, and I decided to buy it. I think I know exactly where I want to put it, but you guys are gonna have to wait for Moving Diaries episode 5, which is the next one, to see the delivery and everything. That was like the big purchase of this video. So we're gonna end this video with a couple little things. This is my excuse to buy one. These are so cute. These jelly cats have been calling my name. I'm so obsessed with these, and I think they would look so cute on here. The bunny, number 1, is like my favorite. Oh my god, and it's back in stock. I love it. Oh, or the brown. These are just so cute and perfect for my couch. What else is there? The brie to match my French magnets. Now I need some little French stuffed animals. Stop. The big sushi roll. We got so much cute stuff in this video. I have so many cute purchases on their way right now, so these moving series are gonna get so good. I can't wait to finish putting together my apartment and my room. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss a Moving Diaries episode. I have so many more to do. This is only episode 4. Thank you guys again for watching and supporting me. I love you all so, so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. This was Vlogmas episode 4, so I'm gonna go eat my chocolate from my advent calendar. If you guys have been watching since episode 1, you'd know I bought this advent calendar, so every day we can count down the Vlogmas episodes together. So today is day 4. I just thought this would be the cutest way to count down each daily upload and get to the end of December together. This one looks so good. Cheers! This one might be the best so far. Thank you guys so much again for getting to the end of today's video. This was my Moving Diaries 4 and my Vlogmas episode 4. I will see you guys again tomorrow for another video. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye! Mwah.